Hello, students. In this lesson of www.sketchup.com free, we're going to be making the pegboard side. So navigate to this landing page that you see and move to the upper right corner where you see the person icon. Select it. Select My Apps. If you're already logged in, it will take you to My Products. And you can use View Included Applications to launch SketchUp free. And then to begin, you start with creating new simple template feet and inches. And then you move to the right, Model Info tab. Make sure you select decimals. Precision should remain the same. And then change the snap interval to 0.125 on your keypad. Lock it in with the enter on your keypad. Select the 5'8" lady and hit the delete key. Move back to the right where you see the Scenes tab and select Parallel Projection, which is the modeling mode. And then I want you to move to the house with a front door, and you select it to give you a front view. Use the pan tool and press with your mouse and move your origin point down and to the left. So for this particular model, I think it's just very easy to use the line tool to draw the outline of the profile. And you're going to go to the origin and press and then move up the y-axis. And when you're on that blue axis, you're going to enter 6.75 on your keypad and then hit the enter key to lock in a 6 3/4 inch line. Now I'm going to zoom in with my cursor. I'm rolling the mouse wheel, and as I zoom in, I can get more accuracy. I'm going to move my pencil to the right now, and if it's red, that means I'm parallel to the x-axis. I enter 0.75, that's 3/4 of an inch, and I hit enter on my keypad to lock it in. Now I'm going to press and move down, and then I'm going to use 3, enter, and I move to the left. And I enter 0.375, enter on the keypad, and I move down. And I enter 0.75, and then enter on the keypad. Then I move back to the right, and I enter 0.375, enter on the keypad, and then move straight down until I reach the red axis, and then click, and then move to the left until I get to the origin point, click. And if you've done it correctly, your profile will turn a light blue color. At this point, you simply go to the orbit tool and turn your axes so that you can get a little bit of an angular view, and move to the push-pull tool, which looks like a rectangular prism with an arrow on it. You select it. Again, select it twice. I want you to put your cursor over that profile, click, and push. And as you do, then now you enter 5 on the keypad, 5, and then enter. That is an extrusion of 5 inches. And again, you can look at it just to verify that it looks correct. And once again, go back to the right side where you see the materials cube. Use the magnifying glass to pick your favorite material of your choice. In my case, I think I'll use this yellow wood type of material here. So the best policy is to select the material and then put your cursor over a surface and click, and it will change that surface. And then continue to click on all the different surfaces. And if you need to, you may, again, zoom in with your mouse so that you have more accuracy to selecting each surface. I then am going to orbit, reselect the material, and then select another surface. And again, orbit, select the material you want to make the surface, and then select the surface. And then continue to orbit, select the material, select the surface. And I'm going to zoom in very closely here, select the surface, and now I'm going to reorbit and zoom away. And I'm going to set this up using the pan tool in a central location. Central location. Yes. And now I'm going to return to the Scenes tab on the right, select, and move to the Perspective Projection. And don't be alarmed if it gets small. You can just zoom back in. Move up to the upper left. You'll see a Save button. Select Save. And when you see the familiar SketchUp box appear, double click it. A window should appear down in the bottom left. You want to type the name Pegboard side. And don't forget to hit the Save button. It's saving, as you can see. Now that it's saved, you move to the very upper left, select Export as PNG, and don't forget to use this blue button to make sure you export it as a PNG. Now you're going to see this word, Pegboard side, in the lower left. That means that file is an image in your Downloads folder. You can double click on your Downloads folder and verify that it's there, and then I open that in Paint and find that that's the image that I'm going to turn in. I hope this video helps. Good luck.